Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, my name is Sinta Aliazara. I'm from 06 SIGP 007. In this video, I will make a final exam for psycholinguistic. So in this video, I will talk about the article. The title is Psycholinguistic, Cognitive, and Neural Implication of Bimodal Bilingualism. The author by Karen Emory, Marcel R. Gizen, and Tamara H. Golan. This article published in 2016. So, this scholarly work offers an invaluable lens into the intricate The scholar work offers an invaluable lens into the intricate mechanism by which our brain processes language, specifically through the examination of individuals who fluently utilize both a sign and spoken language. Comprehending the bimodal bilingualism is pivotal for gaining critical insight into the broader neurocognitive framework of language and cognition. Okay, next slide is what is bimodal bilingualism. So, bimodal bilingualism is proficient into language. Unimodal bilingualism experience into spoken language. Bimodal bilingualism fluent in both a sign language and a spoken language. A key feature is utilize distinct sensory motor system for each language. Significance over unparalleled insight into language processing and cerebral organization. So, historically, scholarly inquiry into bilingualism has predominantly focused on unimodal bilingualism, or individual conversant into oral language. However, our discourse today center upon bimodal bilinguals, those who demonstrate proficiency in both a sign language such as American Sign Language and spoken language like English. The compelling aspect of bimodal bilinguals for psycholinguistic investigation lies in the fundamental fact that their two linguistic systems access distinct sensory motor modalities for both comprehension and producing this inherent divergence for unimodal bilingualism provide an unparalleled opportunity to dissect the foundational architecture of our human language processing system. The author of this comprehensive review article sought to elucidate the profound implication of this unique linguistic profile across psycholinguistic, cognitive, and neural domains. Okay, the next slide is article focus and research approach. This article aims to explore psycholinguistic, cognitive, and neural ramification. The aspect investigate unique language mixing, code blending, language coactivation, and executive control. Modality is specific cognitive advantage neural organization of the bimodal brain. Methodology is synthesize and integrate finding for existing scholar research, not an original empirical study. So in this article, crucial to emphasize that this article does not prevent novel empirical data from original experiment. Rather, it functions as a comprehensive literature review. The research meticulously synthesized and integrated findings gleaned for a vast array of pre-existing study of bimodal bilingual. Consequently, this methodology employed involves a rigorous critical analysis and status interpretation of previously published scientific literature. This approach effectively compiles and connects seemingly disparate pieces of evidence to formulate a broader cohesive conclusion regarding this densive population. Okay, next slide. The theory. Okay, the theory core blending concur producing of a spoken word and sign distinctive to bimodal bilingual. Code switching, sequentially language alternation, language inhibition process of suppressing one language, bimodal less cognitive cost for dual activation than inhibition. Cross language activation, both languages remain active in the mid. Implication, challenge, and reflects current model of language processing. So the article delves into how bimodal bilingual challenge and consequently refines established theory of language processing. For example, it offers significant insight into model of lexical section. It suggests that the brain may not necessarily commit to a single language early in the producing process, thereby facilitating the remarkable phenomenon of code blending. Code blending denotes the simultaneous production of a word and sign, a unique linguistic act that constantly sharply with conventional code switching, which involves the sequential alternation between two languages. The article postulates that for bimodal bilingual, the simultaneous activating of both languages may actually induce less cognitive expenditure the activate inhibition of one linguistic system. Furthermore, it elaborates on cross-language activating, a process that both languages are currently active with the bimodal bilingual cognitive framework, underscoring the intrinsic interconnectedness between their sign and spoken language system. Okay, next slide is the finding. So, code blending preference indicating cognitive efficiency, minimal procedure cost, seamless dual lexical access for sign output, robust cross-language activation, strong interconnection between sign and spoken language. Distinct neural organization reduce neural overlap in bimodal brain, elevated otis that increase tip of the tongue, phenomenon non-phonological competition. Symmetric inhibition control. Example, the suppression of spoken language in sign dominant context. So, the synthesis of scholarly research present in the article unveils several compelling findings. Firstly, bimodal bilingual exhibit a pronounced preference for code blending over code switching, indicate that the concurrent activation of both language is cognitively more efficient for them than linguistic suppression. Secondly, the language producing system appear remarkably adept at accessing and producing two distinct lexical representations simultaneously without significant processing delay for the sign output. Thirdly, robust evidence support previous across language activities at the both lexical and semantic level, affirming the strong interconnectivity between their sign and spoken vocabulary approach. Particularly intriguing cognitive finding is the bimodal bilingual brain demonstrate a reduced degree of neural overlap between its two languages when compared to an immodal bilingual, implying a more distinct cerebral organization for each modality. Additional bimodal bilingual tend to report a high frequency of tip of the tongue state that attempting word retrieval. This phenomenon suggests a form of lexical competition that is not phonologically driven and inherent distinct phonological system of sign and spoken language. Okay, the next slide is conclusion. In conclusion, the study of bimodal bilingual over unparalleled insight meticulously revealing the intricate way in which our brain manage and navigate the complexity of multiple languages, thereby profoundly enriching our understanding of human cognitive itself. So, in extend my side. So, guys, that it's for my explanation for bilingualism in psycholinguistic. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.